Hello everyone, welcome to Crave Java YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a class diagram in Eclipse. For that you need one software, the Eclipse plugin. Go to Google and say Object 8. Go to the Object 8 website wherein you can download the plugin. So once you're into the object8.com, click on install Object 8, and there are series of steps you need to follow this. So what I'll do, I'll show you how to install. I'll follow these steps only. Go to step 3 and you can find add repository. So go to your Eclipse, click on help, install new software. So here you click on add. So basically if you switch to the browser, here it says name is equal to object ADML Explorer. Copy this and paste. You can give any name and the URL should be proper. It should be object 8 update current. So when you click on add, it will show you the list of dependencies you want to add. You can select any of this, whichever is relevant. Click on object 8 class diagram. Currently we need it. If you want sequence diagram, you go for this and you click on next. So based on your internet bandwidth, it will take the time. So just click on next and you need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on accept terms and conditions, click on finish. So basically if you can see here, so it is downloading the jar files required and it is installing the software. As this is not a proper licensed software, it will ask you to whether you want to install it or not. So once it got downloaded, while installing it will ask you for that. I'll show you that. So again, based on your bandwidth, it will the time taken will be decided. So as you can see, installing unassigned software, which will be without the authenticity or validity cannot be established. Continue with this installation. You can click on install anyway. Once you click on install anyway, it will install. So basically it needs a restart of your Eclipse. Just click on restart now. So as you can see, I'm using Spring Tool Suite uh, as my Eclipse. You can use a normal Eclipse and you can install the software. So now my plugin is installed. So how to use this? To that, I have created a basic simple Java program where I have one parent and two child. Child one extends parent and child two extends parent. Sorry, forgot that. So let us create a class diagram for this. Just right click on this project, click new, other, go to, just type in class. It will ask you to choose object 8 class diagram. Click on next and just name that. I'll say test class diagram. So we'll see all this later. Just click on finish. So it will create one file called testcd.ucls, wherein what you can do, just select all your Java files and drag and drop here. So when you do this, so basically this is a parent and this is a child. It will show you the class diagram. So basically this arrow mark means there are different representations. Currently this arrow mark with the white head. This means that child 2 and child 1 is extending a parent class. So as you can see, these are all the constructors. Parent is a constructor, parent of string is a constructor, and name, if you can see I have two constructors, default constructor and parameterized constructor, as well as one variable called name. We have get name and set name. As you can see from the diagram, the same is mentioned here. So basically this is a private variable name and these are all the values. As you can see in the child as well, I'll show you child one. So child one has a child one name and default constructor, parameterized constructor, and these are all the setters and getters for that variable. As you can see, same is represented here. So You can move around and arrange however you want. So this is how the class diagram we can generate. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.